In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in and fade out video in CapCut PC. If you want your video to open gently from black and close with a clean, professional dip back to black, this quick method is all you need, and it works without touching a single keyframe. With your clip already placed on the timeline, start by clicking the video clip so it's highlighted. This tells CapCut you want to adjust settings for that specific clip. Now, look to the top right of the screen for the Properties panel. Find and select the Animation tab. This is where CapCut keeps its built-in motion presets, including smooth fades you can apply instantly. Inside the Animation tab, make sure you're in the In category. Click on the preset labeled Fade In. The effect applies immediately, but to make it feel refined and cinematic, head to the bottom of that same panel and drag the duration slider to exactly 1.0 seconds. A 1-second fade is a great default because it's long enough to feel intentional and polished, yet short enough to keep your pacing snappy. You'll see the setting update in real time, and you can always fine-tune later if your edit's rhythm calls for it. Now, let's match the ending. Still in that same animation panel, switch over to the Out sub-tab. Scroll slightly if you need to, then click on the Fade Out preset. Just like before, drag the duration slider to 1.0 seconds. Keeping the in and out durations consistent helps your video feel balanced from start to finish, and it saves you from micromanaging transitions across multiple clips. Time to preview. Bring your timeline playhead back to the very start and press play. You should see your video gracefully fade in from a clean black screen, play through your content, and then gently dissolve back to black at the very end. It's subtle, elegant, and it adds that finishing touch viewers expect from polished edits. What makes this approach so efficient is that you're using CapCut's built-in animation presets instead of creating manual keyframes. That means fewer clicks, no guesswork, and perfectly smooth ramps every time. If your project's tone shifts, maybe you need a snappier open or a slower, more emotional close, you can simply adjust the duration sliders later without redoing anything else. And that's it. A professional fade in at the start, a clean fade out at the end, done in